Hi, Todd from Kurloo here. In this video I'm going to run you through how to activate your account and how to update your user profile. By now you should have received an account activation email from Kurloo support. Click on the Activate Account button and you'll be redirected to the Create an Account page. Simply fill in your personal details and click the Sign Up button. You will then be redirected to the Kurloo Nest main login page where you can enter the Kurloo Nest. In the future, you can access the login page through the Login tab at kurloo.io. This is the project overview page, which will be covered in another video. To change your password, click on the user profile name at the bottom left of the screen. Then change password. To change your password, simply fill in the data and click Save Password. You can switch the platform between light and dark mode via the theme button. To change your personal information, click Edit Profile. In this menu you can enable two-factor authentication. To sign out of the platform, you can just click the Sign Out button.